30th birthday party. This is a very casual video. I'm just genuinely getting ready. I kind of wanted to listen to music, but I would rather talk to you guys.
But our time and our clothes gotta coordinate. It's like a bitch of perfect sight.
Okay, so I was going to do like a get ready with me and I didn't really have anything to say. Plus I was really like wanting to vibe with music and stuff. So I'll link my makeup and just include this in the vlog about my birthday, I guess. Should I do a sunroof photo? Why not? It's my birthday. I'll do that. And, and then it's time to go. Fantastic meal, funny photos for the gram. And I'm a couple hours away from turning 30 in America. I'm like never awake for my birthday midnight, but it's 45 minutes away. This is the closest I've been in a long time.
So, in 1 minute, I turned 30. The dirty 30. No, we're taking a
have
movie.
no makeup on.
Courtney, who cares? They're going to say you ditched me on my 30th birthday.
Again.
Hair up or down?
Up.
Okay. So. I'm 30!
So you're turning 30, and is that something, why are you making that face? Is that a problem?
It's not a problem. It's just a weird, when you're young, that sounds so old. When you're in high school or even when you're in your early 20s, it still sounds like, you know, by the time I'm 30, I should just give up. Like, what's the point of going on at that age? And then you turn 30. I'm turning 30 this year, and you don't feel any older at all.
I made it to my birthday midnight, and I got to bring in my new age awake. I went to sleep at like 1 a.m. and I woke up at like 4, so I'm a little bit tired. I got my makeup on, I'm going to my sister's, and then at 11 o'clock, maybe even noon, I'm going back to the same place that I had dinner last night for some shopping. So I'll bring you with me. I don't know what we're allowed to film or whatever. Just stores are so much less busy right now, so if you film, they like really know. So I'll try to include you while I can. And I'll show you the donuts that we have for breakfast. And then I think I have to go kind of soon. Checkpoint. Happy birthday to me. That's not how the song goes. Oh, perfect. See? So on my way, got this. Going to a little Hermes appointment for a teacup. So cute. So yes, the appointment only in Hermes, but that's where we're off to next, to the front entrance. This has been my birthday eve and my birthday. I'm so excited to be here in my 30s. I love it so much. I'm just where I want to be. And I think that the reason that I'm so happy is because I had goals for myself that I wanted to achieve before I hit 30. And I achieved them, and I did them before I was 30. So when I was like 27, I think I started freaking out and getting them all done. So I've just been coasting, and now I just feel like I'm established as a human on this planet, and then the rest is just smooth sailing from here. I just feel like I can relax a little bit and just, you know, and just enjoy. My personal goals for before I turned 30 was I definitely wanted to own a home. So I purchased when I was 25, and I wanted my home to be my only debt. I did have to put myself in some debt to establish credit to buy this home. Like I had to get a credit card. I financed a car. Once I got my home, I just like switched gears, and I really wanted it to be my only debt. So that's how I live now, and I'm really excited about it. I have percentages of my paychecks going into like my 401k, into a Roth account and all that. I'm not an expert, but I do recommend that you look into those things as early as you can. I am liking where this channel's going. It's not circulated all around makeup anymore. I do like doing light luxury. So I like Louis Vuitton, I like Saint Laurent and all that kind of stuff. I'm not using credit, and I'm not purchasing things that would break the bank. I like to share these things with you guys. I'm more like mid-range luxury, if that makes any sense. I'm not out here buying Birkins or anything like that. And yeah, so that's where I want to be. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me. I'm going to spend the rest of my birthday editing and uploading this video. I want it to go up today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.